So hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. And today we're making Jamaican style potato salad. Yes guys, we're making some potato salad today, creamy and delicious potato salad. So please go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Like, comment and share guys. So these are my potatoes, right? These are two large potatoes, guys, that I already chopped and cook. So I cook these potatoes for about 6 to 7 minutes. Do not cook your potatoes longer than 6 or 7 minutes exactly, right? Because if you cook it for more than 6 or 7 minutes and you cook it too long, you're going to get mashed potatoes, not potato salad. The potatoes are going to be too soft to make potato salad and it's going to just mash right out. So you don't want to cook your potatoes more than 6 to 7 minutes to give you a delicious potato salad. Now we're going to add some sweet peas, right? And we're also going to add some corn. And we're also going to add some carrot, right? These carrots, I cook these carrots. I chop them and cook them. I don't know if they sell carrots in the tin like corn and sweet peas. I've never seen it before, but if you can get it like that, go ahead. These are some red onion and some spring onion, and I have over here 3 large eggs that are boiled and chopped. So when you're making a potato salad, guys, you can go ahead and choose whichever vegetables you prefer to use. If you don't want to use corn, you don't have to use corn. You don't have to use peas. Choose the vegetables that you prefer to use to make your potato salad, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and make the salad dressing to put on the potato salad. So to make our salad dressing, this is some mayonnaise, guys. This is a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise, so I always use a lot. I add 1 teaspoon of mustard, and I'm going to add some spices. This is some paprika, a pinch of salt, and a little black pepper. I'm also going to add some melted butter, just a teaspoon or so of melted butter, guys, so that when I'm combining the sauce, it flows easily through the potato salad and don't keep on sticking and lumping. This is some granulated sugar. That's 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. And I'm also going to add some vinegar. Just a little splash of vinegar. You don't have to add much. You don't have to add vinegar if you don't want to. This is optional, but I'm adding some vinegar. So this is how I make my creamy salad dressing to add to my potato salad, guys. Look at it. This salad dressing is so delicious. So after we make our salad dressing, now we're going to combine the rest of ingredients together. We're going to add the carrot, the corn, the peas, the spring onion, the red onion, and also the eggs. And then we're just going to add the salad dressing to make our Jamaican style potato salad, guys. So this is my Jamaican style potato salad, guys. Look at it. This potato salad is so delicious. You want to try this potato salad. Jamaican style potato salad. So please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. This is my Jamaican style potato salad.